Hello there! Now we all love a multifunctional and sleek kitchen. But what if I told you that there was a way to make your modern kitchen even more sleek and stylish with Aquaguard Blaze? The all-in-one Aquaguard Blaze dispenses not just ambient water, but also hot water as per your need. Now soothe your throat, make your morning coffee, your evening green tea, and satiate your late-night noodle craving by instantly dispensing hot water. My sleek and stylish Aquaguard Blaze has fetched me many compliments, and it's even slimmer as compared to ordinary hot water purifiers. Both hot and ambient water tanks are equipped with tough, durable, and corrosion-free 304 grade stainless steel. Aquaguard Blaze comes with patented active copper and zinc booster technology that infuses the double goodness of copper and zinc ions in the water. The multi-stage purification process delivers the purest water, eliminating viruses and bacteria. Only Aquaguard's RO membrane is certified to remove new age contaminants like lead and mercury. Its UV e-boiling technology ensures water as safe as water boiled for 20 minutes. Unlike ordinary RO+UV water purifiers that may turn your water bland and tasteless, the advanced taste adjuster technology ensures sweet-tasting water irrespective of its source. Aquaguard Blaze also has the patented mineral guard technology, which retains essential natural minerals in the water, thus making it healthy. It is equipped with zero pressure pump with suction capabilities and works even at zero pressure. Ordinary RO+UV water purifiers only save about 25% water, whereas Aquaguard Blaze RO+UV+MTDS saves up to 60% water. Its inbuilt LED indicators let me know when the tank is full or when service is required. I use the Eureka Forbes service app to instantly schedule a service request for timely servicing. So bring home the goodness of copper and zinc with the smart and versatile Aquaguard Blaze.